Yesterday I made a video about how I bought $650 worth of crypto. Since then, we have managed to cross 70,000 in price on Bitcoin. Solana is up, Ethereum is up, and many of the altcoins are up. On my portfolio, I was down 30% last week, and today I crossed 2% in profit. This means that the trend has started. I called the bottom yesterday. I said it's highly probable that yesterday is the lowest prices that we will ever see again. Now, we might return to those prices. It's still likely, but it seems that a trend has started. Big institutions have started buying huge amounts of Bitcoin, huge amounts of Ethereum and Solana as well. This means that it's highly probable the bull market has started. We have started trending upwards, and it's only a matter of time till the Bitcoin price chart spikes up and we reach all-time highs again. If you're looking for a good platform to buy crypto on, go to my highlights tab, look at the promo highlight, click on that link, sign up. You get a 10% deposit bonus. Plus in March, there's a promo running where if you get a certain amount of volume with trading, then you will get certain rewards. Like for example, $200 million in volume gets you a Rolex, 700 million gets you a Cybertruck.